Ipe is a great choice when it comes to decking. It's low maintenance, resists mold, rot, termites. It's stronger than oak and will last up to 75 years. This Brazilian hardwood may look expensive, but you'd be surprised on how affordable it is. Here are just a few ways you can save when you have your heart set on this gorgeous wood. B-grade decking may have small blemishes such as pin knots, some sapwood and small spots, swirly grain, or other similar character marks. Not only is there a nice discount for purchasing this grade, but many of our customers say that the B stands for beautiful. Check out one of our customers talk about the character of the boards.
Wood is a living organism, and here you can really see that you're using natural wood. It has some interesting colorations to it. Some people I know like to avoid the knots, but we think they add character to the wood. And you can really see the life of the wood in the tree in your project. It was every bit as straight and has the integrity of the A-grade or clear grade lumber.
Long length boards up to 20 feet typically demand a premium. Using 3-foot to 6-foot deck boards in your deck design not only saves you money, but you can also make your design much more interesting and unique. Wide boards in any hardwood demand a premium, so using narrow boards such as 1x4, which is finished at 3.5 inches wide, can save money and again give a more interesting look. An added benefit is stability, as a wide board will have more tendency to cup than a narrow board. Using narrow boards saves money and yields a more stable deck. In between the US standards of 3/4 and 1-inch deck boards is a European standard of 21mm thickness. We have brought this size into the US for years and our repeat customers love it. It offers nearly the stability of the thicker 1-inch board, but closer to the price of the thinner 3/4 inch board. Our 21mm boards measure 0.827 of an inch thick, which is too confusing to remember, so we brand this as 1x6 plus. Save some money over the thicker boards with this Euro bargain. With our 4 warehouses strategically located, we are one of the only hardwood decking companies that can offer free shipping on many items. Even though our normal freight rates are cheap, free is much better than cheap. Many lumber brokers require expensive minimum purchases on our Ipe wood. AdvantageLumber.com is one of the only hardwood decking companies that has no minimum purchase on hardwoods such as Ipe, which saves you from buying more than you need for a small project. You might be able to find a local supplier who has a small quantity of Ipe wood on hand, but you'll usually pay 30 to 50% more than just buying directly from the leading importer, AdvantageLumber.com. Who doesn't like a bargain? With our 4 large warehouses stocked with Ipe and other hardwood decking species, we move a lot of inventory. This leaves us with a lot of good deals to pass on to customers for a variety of reasons, including overstock of a certain length or species, special buys, overruns, canceled or delayed orders, returns, freight damage, or sometimes we just forgot that we had an extra bundle hidden in the corner. Check out our inventory at AdvantageLumber.com. We ship directly to your home or job site worldwide.